In this video, we'll be covering the assembly of the Smart Series product. If you have any questions, feel free to look inside the instruction manual. We start by screwing in 2 screws on the backside of the machine. Next, we'll install the guardrail for the hose, put it into place by hand. Afterwards, you'll find 2 locations for screws on the underside of it. You can use the included Torx screw to install this. To install the handle, first we remove the back plate. On the aluminum tube, you can put the soap bottle holder on first, followed by the handle. To hold everything in place, we reinstall the back plate with 4 screws. Next, we can install the stabilizing legs. To install the legs, slide them up into place. You'll know they're in place when you hear a click. Finally, we can put on the water filter, screw on by hand. To install the hose into the pistol, simply press into the bottom of the pistol. And you'll find lots of room all around the machine to hold the various accessories, including room in the side for the wire and for the pistol itself. For easy access, there's storage on the top by the handle.